Hi everyone, welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. I'm T. Let's get comfy, let's get cozy, let's grab our cuppa, and let's play Stardew. It's been a hot minute. Been going through some life changes, started a different job in a different place with a different routine, and my husband must have been watching my videos or something and wanted to start a whole new game with me, so my time has been kind of like consumed of change and adaptation and whatnot. Now, I think what I did in this game, because it's been a hot minute, I I went ahead and I collected money because it was a very repetitive, painstakingly repetitive process. And instead of putting y'all through that, I decided to just do it on my own. Oh, do we have coal? Might not. Somehow we do. Oh, not much. So we got 40,000. We're going to buy the Joja Cola upgrade thing that we needed. And then we're going to see what that does because I didn't want to get ahead of it in case that is something that you want to see. But I got it started. These eggs are hiding. I'm like also adjusting to, okay, I just made a whole other farm. Where is everything? Oh, we have a sturgeon that wants pickles. We have cows that wish to be milked. Join the club, cows. I think that I put that in here. Perfect. Apparently, I am very terrible at aim. I don't remember if we have a cheesemaker or if I'm behind on that too. Do we have any of that stuff? Was I not making mayonnaise? What? That seems legit. Yeah, 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 yeah. I would like to keep the powder melon, plus down here. Okay, I'll put the butter melon down here. Plus, yeah, all right. Do we have a cave? Yeah, we do. There's nothing in it though. All right. Do we have everything? Probably where my selfish part came in. All right, we're gonna go to Joja Cola and we're gonna. I absolutely have had an atrocious time in the last week with my coffee. We're gonna accept that. Oh, this is the game. Is this the game where I have it though? Oh well. If we don't, we don't. If we do, we do. Alright. So now we are going to buy the bus. Excellent. We'll get our workers on it tonight. It should be ready for you by tomorrow. Oh, okay. So I can't really do anything with it anyway. Bummer. He's gonna be mad at me, so I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna look at whose birthday is coming up. The Wizard? No way. I have a companion app on my phone. It's probably not as up to date, but you know, I'm gonna give them props because it's a little more organized than what I have. The app kind of looks like this, if you can see it. It's called Stardew Valley Guide. I don't know if it's necessarily a guide. Well, so it looks like tomorrow we'll get to venture a little bit more and see what's in store for us. Not really sure if I want to sit here and I want to get all the garbage, you know, recycled because you get free stuff for it. But I'm hesitating. Of course, it finishes after I do that. So what I like to do, I'm gonna go to the mines so that we can find an aquamarine. These typically will end up being a good resource. And I don't see that we have an aquamarine. So we're gonna go find one. And I'm gonna ignore that that fence is broken. But what does the wizard want for his birthday? The wizard wants a purple mushroom, a solar essence. He can have a void essence if I feel like we have more of those. So something that my husband and I were focusing on in our game is giving a gift to the NPCs on their birthday. We were like practically maxing our friendship. Oh, that was the whole thing. Doop. We are looking for aquamarines. Thank you very much. Or coal. We are very poor when it comes to coal. Eh. I'm just gonna make sure there are none in mine. All right, what do we have fine? Hey, found what I was looking for. We can leave now. That was nice. All right, this is broken, right? Yeah, we didn't fix that. Who wanted the aquamarine anyway? Leah? Let's see if Leah is at the bar. Abby's playing her flute. She cannot be bothered right now. I kind of have to keep track of my time because I gotta leave. This is how my life's been. I don't have more than like an hour to myself. But it's my brother's birthday. Well, it was on Friday, but I didn't have availability to hang out on Friday. Yay! Better pay me double like you said you would. Nobody likes a liar. I like how everybody's in like sweats. Alright, and we got another aquamarine to take home. Oh, pardon. Coffee went up. So like, speaking of coffee, I had an atrocious time with my coffee machine, and I thought that it was mainly the coffee machine. Okay. Trying to organize is hard. We had aquamarine! Y'all are probably yelling at me. Yeah, you had it the whole time. My bad. And we had one of those. In case that is not pickles, putting a winter root in will make pickles. We had another aquamarine. Are you serious? I'm putting that there for now. I don't know what I'm doing with my life. Bullocks. Bullocks and poppycock. Alright, I think we got everything. I'm gonna give the Wiz his birthday gift in the morning so that we can get that out of the way. And then we'll see a little thing here that the construction is fixing Ring of Yoba. I normally don't get my combat up really quick, so I don't remember what that does. My husband typically will master mining and combat. First two skills. My first two skills are farming and fishing. Different approaches to the game. I got a new hammer and I want to try it on a variety of metals. Could you smelt an iron bar and bring it to me? Crow, stay away from my food, please. Normally when you see one of those, they've been pecking away. Well, there we go. I don't know why I did that. There you be. We'll get the milk going. Got itchy head. And then we'll pet the chickens and the ducks. I don't know why it only works if I hold a sword, but it's mighty annoying. Do you want to eat whatever's in your hand? When it's not something you can eat. Different. Alright. Yeah, let's get rid of these. Oh boy. I'll sift through this later. I don't have time right now. Alright. I'm gonna put this here. Clint can wait. I sound sick. It's allergy season for me right now. And I didn't take my morning allergy pill, so I'm gonna be taking that in like 20 minutes here and I'll be fine. It's like that time of the year when everything is hot and cold at the same time and it can't make up its mind. So we have like all 4 seasons in one day. There we go. Now he's halfway hearted with me. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to be his friend so I can go down here, check this baby out. You know what? We'll do that in tomorrow in the Stardew Valley. Let's go check out what our bus does. I think everybody would like that. All right. It's good coffee. Pay attention. So my coffee maker, I was making coffee every day and I just needed caffeine. And the first day, this was like after I cleaned my Keurig and everything tasted sour, like very, very bitter, very, very sour. And when I put the creamer in, because I'm a girl that needs cream, um, doesn't look like what I thought it was going to be. But they're happy, so that's all that matters. Um, what was I saying? Oh, and I was like, I'm not drinking that because it's curdled. It looked like, the creamer was bad or something. So I tried the creamer by itself. It looked fine. It smelled fine. The expiration date was not expired. And then I went to trying it in a black tea, just English breakfast. Tasted perfect. So I knew that the creamer was fine. I tried like doing some extra like major rinse cycles for my coffee and still tasted bad. I tried uh, putting all new water in it. Nothing was working for me. Everything was just kind of fighting against me at this point. So I decided to buy a different coffee because it is the one thing that I didn't do. And I got something that was kind of known around here. The skull key opens this up. That's what the journal entry was for our journal here. Okay. We might die. Shoot, 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 shoot. I don't want to die. Can you die? This is going to be rough. So these guys will not stay dead. Okay. I'm stuck. They turn into many, many little purple ones. I'm gonna die. Yeah, I'm dead. I'm totally dead. Touche. That sucked. Yeah, take those. I don't flipping care. I hope that those things aren't popping up here, but I'm getting like these random team messages. I don't know where they're coming from right now, so I can't nap in this game. Doing a quick dump. right. I shouldn't have done that, but oh well. It is done. Okay. Let's go see if we can catch a red mullet. Anyway, after a week of trying to figure out what's going on with my coffee, I got a local brand, S'mores Door County Coffee, delish, and everything tasted the way it should. It was a normal brew of coffee. It it hit the spot, really. That's all I wanted. And it's all I've been drinking. So I think I need to get rid of my other coffee because it is far too bitter for me. Not a bitter girl. I don't like bitter stuff. Oh, crud. I'm not sure. You can get a pearl from this if you do the shells. And I think it's based off of the song the mermaid sings. Kind of have to wait for their thing to go. Like the main reason to go. Since it's our first winter, I didn't think we did that. Get my free cup of coffee. Dankeschön. Normally I'd go on the submarine to get squid and midnight fish, but I don't really want to. Speaking of squid, they are here. I don't know if we can catch a red mullet while this is going on. More garbage, just what we wanted. Okay, I'm not gonna catch garbage. Yeah, all about that money, honey. Find a place for this pearl. Oh, I had a calendar right there the whole time. Silly me. I wanted to make sure that I didn't get half my energy back because we fainted in the mines. It's snowing. So now we got a new quest to get to a level 25 in the cave mines. We're having like a Christmas thing, and Maru is my secret Santa, if you will. So I'm responsible for getting a gift for Maru. If you don't know who Maru is, she's Robin and Dimitri's daughter. Hi, baby. I just got a little kiss from my kitty cat. He wanted my attention. Simply because it is wet food day, and he knows it, and he's ready. He's ready for it. Right, buddy? Hi. Hi. I'll feed you in a little bit, okay? He's like, no, no. I would let him up, but I'm kind of sore and I don't want him on my lap right now. He's a sweet boy. Sometimes when I'm laying in bed, he'll just jump on my stomach and it hurts. Kind of getting the wind knocked out of you kind of feeling. This fence is going to be the death of me. Y'all, could you possibly get cursed already? See that? Like, I have to have a sword or something in my hand. Something about that corner. I'm being stubborn. I'm not fixing that. All right, let's make some money. All right. I put the mushrooms? There they are. Right in front of my face. Alright, let's go appease Clint. Do we have amethyst? Two birds, one stone for Clint. See if we can get a red mullet for Willie. I was going to show you something and I didn't show you. I don't know what it was. Uh-oh. Mwah. Mwah. Why are you here? I don't know. You tell me. You brought me here. That reminded me of something. Even the tiniest, blandest, simplest light holds a wonderful secret. Now I know why you're here. It's a sign. Haha. Oh, she poofed me away. What's the sign? Am I the only one that doesn't know? Clearly. Buddy. Tea. There's something special about tea. Our destinies will intersect. Oh, Clint's gonna hate me. She's fallen for me. I just came to give you an amethyst. Oh, my favorite stone! You're so sweet! Huh? It's from who? Oh, you got it at Clint's? Well, I don't care where you got it from. It's beautiful. Thank you. Hello, T. I had a feeling I'd be seeing you today. Yeah, goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Alright. We are gonna go fishing. Get the F away from Emily. Emily has too many feelings right now. And we have none. Oh, gosh. What do we want? A red snapper. How do we want it? Now. Wait, we want a red mullet, not a red snapper. There's a difference. All right, cucumber. It's almost hard to see in the snow. A tuna. I just want a red snapper. That's so much to ask. I mean, mullet, not. Does Willie have mullet bait? One of those. Not my goal here. Oh my gosh, give me 2 more! Bet you they're like a certain time that you get them. I just need 2 more red mullets. That's all. That's all. That's all. That was annoying. Rude. Good thing I got another one. Whoop. I really just want 2 red mullets, please. Somewhat promising. Yeah. I need 1 more. Willie, don't you think about going far because you are my next person to talk to. Oh, you're going to the bar? Okay, you go to the bar. I'll meet you there after I catch your stupid fish. See if it does anything. Maybe. Maybe. It's a possibility. It's a tuna. So disappointed. Alright, 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 alright. Give me my mullet. Yeah, yeah. Now we talk to Willie. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Oh no, I wasn't talking to you. I wonder if you're loud enough. When I put my character to sleep, I will come feed you. Because you're hungry. He's giving me the look like, please feed me. It has been days since my last meal. Oh. Oh, yay. We got Tiki Tiki and Money Money. You being a little butt. Don't do that. Don't do that. Cats don't understand the meaning of no. Friendship 101. You become friends with people a little faster. Read. If only it were that easy. Alright. Do I have everything? I thought I had something for Leah. Oh, clearly I don't. Evelyn's birthday is next. He didn't even take the red mullet. Well, we're keeping the CQ cover because I learned hard way that they're useful. But we will get rid of the herring. It might not be a bad thing to keep the sardines. Oh my. Excuse me. Alright. It's time to make a chest. This one. I don't want that. It is going bye-bye. Boop. And we're going to just find a place to put the fishes for now. Perfect. And then I can go back. I can go back. I don't know. There is another one. Holy moly. Boop, boop. Ba-doop, boop, 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 boop. Boop, boop. Duck egg. Okay. Such a mess. Perfect. He is so hungry. Normally he will eat at like 6 and 7 a.m. and p.m. It's like 11. He's got a way to go. Like, not sure what that is. We can make bobbers and deluxe worm bait. And I think that's where we're gonna leave it off, guys, because I gotta get ready to go. And apparently my cats are hungry. They must know that I'm leaving. So thanks for hanging out with me, doing some tea time. I hope you enjoyed. You were comfy and cozy and got to see how we started out poorly on the skull cave, but you know, we'll be better ready for this next time. And until then, I will talk to you then. We'll play again, get cozy and comfy and all that jazz. Bye.